In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write a blog post using AI. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going on Jasper AI. So this link I will attach in my description below for easy access. You need to just log in with your Gmail. This is enough. So you can see this is a blog post. Just click on blog post, then select your blog post. Then I want to type why. So this is my blog post title. So just click on next button, then select your audience. So I want to type on sports plan, cricket, then just type on cricket, etc, etc. You can add more text, so I don't need. What is the outline of your post? So this is not necessary to add, so I want to skip on this one. Add more information. If you want to add more information, SEO keyword, then I want to use SEO keyword because of this is really important topic. So I just enter cricket. So just click on next button, then just click on generate. So when I click on generate, you can see this Jasper AI write a whole article for me in a minute. This is a fantastic way you can generate and write whole article for your blog post. You can see this is a long article. I really like it. So just copy, and if you don't like a particular line and particular part, just click on plus icon, then click on hey, delete this option, delete this part, add this part, etc, etc. Just command R AI fix these problems. You can see these lots of grammatical mistake found and Grammarly. So you can use Grammarly for fix this problem. This is not necessary, but if you fix this grammar, this is a fantastic and good reason for you. Now just copy this article, then post your website. Google does not mind for this article because of this AI write human type blog post. I hope you understand properly. So if you want more video to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.